Hi friends, you're welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll show you how to prototype dynamic screen. So when we touch our Android screen, the color changes. So I'm going to import my Android frame. So I'm going to be fast about this. So I'm just trying to sketch my design. So let me duplicate this now, and I'm going to run my plugin Iconify. So okay, let me import battery. Let me import let me say Figma. Import this. Let me also import this. Okay, can now close this. So let me add auto layouts. Time. Let me add auto layouts. Change this to space between. So I can have a text here. I can just say Figma no. So let me make this okay. Let this be 36. Let me send this to back. So I can have text here that says experience the best of Figma as you explore the various options. As you explore the available options. Alright. So let this be 16. Let me make this dark. So I'm going to centralize this. So I can decide to use ellipse here instead. Okay, let me use ellipse. All right. So let me distribute spacing. I'm going to ensure this is centralized. Alright, so I can have text here. My design. All right. So these are my buttons. So I can say here sign up for Figma. Can say sign in. Here I can have explore options. So let me place this at the center of this. Okay, let me make this 14. Alright, so I can use dancing script here. I can just uh, here I can use Ruby or Sword. Use Sword. I don't know if it's better. Okay, I think that's fine. So let me use this. Let me make this 24. So here ink is okay. Let me use Montserrat. Alright. Let me okay. Let me generate an image. Let me use Unsplash. I'm going to import image. I can just say elegant. I think this is fine. No, I want some space around here. Good. I need this. Yeah. I think this is okay. Okay. Let me go down. Scroll down. Okay, let me use this. So I have this. I think it's okay. So I can just remove the saturation and the contrast. So okay, I can use what color do I use? Can use orange. I can use green. Can use lemon green. Lemon green is okay. This can lemon green. So I can this button can be blue. Mm, okay, this can be a primary button. Then I'm going to have a secondary button here. So let me add stroke. So I'm going to remove this here. So then this can be a tertiary button. So I'm going to just delete. Let me delete this. Alright. Okay. So I can give this blue color. Alright. So I can apply here. Here. So let me increase this to 80%. So I can have, okay, I think this is okay. So I can duplicate this now. Let me go back. I'm gonna duplicate this. So um, let me just change the color a bit. Alright. So I'm going to duplicate this once more. Let me change the color. Let's change it. Okay. I'm going to duplicate it. I'm going to change that color. Let me just have 5 screens. Let me also change. I think I have this. Okay, so this. Okay, let me change this one. This is actually purple. This is magenta. Alright. Okay, so I think this is better. Okay, okay, that's fine. Okay, now let's just quickly go to prototype. So I'm going to connect this to this. I'm going to say mouse enter this to this. Mouse enter. Okay, so this has to be mouse enter smart animate. So this to this, mouse enter smart animate. From this to this, on mouse enter smart animate. From this to this, on mouse enter smart animate. From this to this, on mouse enter smart animate. Now let's present this. Okay, so we have this. So whenever I place my mouse, or should I say I touch the screen, once my I'm touching the screen will change. But if I take my mouse off, it will go to a different screen that's different color. The screen will now have a different color. So if I continue touching the screen, it will be generating different colors automatically. So if I take my mouse off, or I take my thumb off the screen, it will go to it will have a new color, or should I say a different color. All right, friends, thank you for watching. Please do subscribe to my channel. Bye for now.